Vulture. Common birds of prey in Africa, known for their ability to feed on carcasses and carrion. Box jellyfish. Although not exclusive to Africa, some species of jellyfish found on the African coast can be highly venomous. Caracal. An agile and predatory feline, known for its ability to jump and hunt agile prey. Fruit bat. Found in various regions of Africa, these bats are important for pollination and seed dispersal but can transmit diseases. Monitor lizard. Large and carnivorous reptiles, common in various parts of Africa, known for their aggression and hunting skills. Dust mite. Although small, these mites can trigger severe respiratory allergies in humans. Scarab beetle. There are several species of scarab beetles in Africa, some of which can be venomous or harmful to crops. Loggerhead turtle. A species of sea turtle found along the African coast, known for its resilience and fast swimming. Army ant. Also known as siafu, this species of ant can form huge colonies and attack in large numbers. Gaboon viper. One of Africa's most venomous snakes, with a potentially lethal bite. Harpy eagle. One of Africa's largest birds of prey, known for its ferocity and hunting abilities. Baboon spider. One of the most aggressive and venomous spiders in Africa, capable of causing serious harm with its bite. Mongoose. Agile and predatory mammals, often hunting venomous snakes and posing a challenge to their prey. Leopard tortoise. One of the largest land tortoises, known for its resilience and aggressiveness. ASP. A venomous snake, often mistaken for other non-venomous species, posing a danger to the unwary. Rhinoceros beetle. A large beetle that can be found in various parts of Africa, causing damage to crops. Baboon. Primates known for their aggressiveness and intimidating behavior in groups. Golden jackal. An opportunistic and cunning predator found in various regions of Africa. Desert crocodile. A crocodile species adapted to arid and semi-arid environments in Africa. Snow leopard. A rare and elusive species of leopard, adapted to the mountainous regions of Africa. Scorpion. Some of the world's most venomous scorpions can be found in Africa, posing a threat to humans. Black mamba. One of Africa's most venomous snakes, capable of causing severe damage with its neurotoxic bite. Hyena. Nocturnal animals known for their sinister laugh and opportunistic behavior. Rhinoceros. Herbivorous giants with sharp horns, capable of defending themselves aggressively. African buffalo. Known for their unpredictable and temperamental nature, they can be extremely dangerous when provoked. Leopard. An agile and deadly feline, known for its camouflage ability and surprise attacks. African elephant. One of the largest land mammals, capable of causing severe damage when feeling threatened. Hippopotamus. Despite their cute appearance, hippos are extremely aggressive and can be deadly. Nile crocodile. A large aquatic predator capable of attacking animals and even humans. Lion. The king of the jungle, with a majestic appearance and one of the most powerful species of felines.